Have you ever caught yourself saying things like, I was busy the entire day, yet I still got nothing done? Or, I wish I had more time. If you want to stop saying those things, here's my 3-pronged framework you need to kickstart your productivity. These 3 little letters will change your life. CIA. The C stands for create clarity. Too many times we address requests based on the order we receive them instead of their priority level. Then at the end of the day, we're frustrated because while we finished a bunch of little tasks, we didn't get the important ones checked off. When you discover how to keep your overall work objectives for your job and your daily work objectives in the forefront of your brain, you'll make better decisions about how you use your time. When you create clarity, you triage each request as it comes in, and you will always complete your top priority each day. The I stands for implement structure and flow. While it's important to have at least some structure or plan for your day, it's equally important to allow space for the unexpected. You can do this when you understand the source of what I call time leaks, those bits of time that disappear throughout the day to interruptions, distractions, or email overload. When you plug your time leaks as you implement structure and flow, you'll be able to morph your time as needed to address those fires or opportunities and still finish your most important tasks. The A stands for assemble your team. Your default work team is your department, but most of us work with people outside of our department, so they should be a part of our informal team. When you assemble your team and practice consistent and clear communication with them, you'll plug those time leaks that are caused by miscommunication, misunderstanding, and missed deadlines. Whether this has been a pleasant refresher and you remember what you need to go back to, or these strategies are brand new to you and you can't believe it can be this easy to implement time management, what it boils down to is this. Time management is truly all about mind management, and you do have the power to tell your time what to do. If you're still here, you might either be procrastinating or you truly want guidance on how to turn things around because what you're currently doing isn't working. In either case, go to theinefficiencyassassin.com to begin your time management revolution today. You have the choice of paperback, ebook, audiobook, or online modules. I wrote my book, The Inefficiency Assassin, for people who don't have time to read. Simply open up the table of contents or list of modules to triage your challenge and immediately jump to that chapter. The 10 minutes you spend today on one chapter is an investment in your career and your well-being that will pay dividends in the long run by giving you back hours each week and days each year. Remember, time management is truly all about mind management, and you do have the power to tell your time what to do.